Hey guys, Andrew McFarland here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are happy and healthy. Today we're talking about the 3 key steps to really getting your business off the ground. Okay, before I dive in though, if you're new to the channel, you don't know who I am or what we do, over the last decade, myself and our company has had the pleasure of running our own juice concepts as well as helping hundreds of people all over the world launch and scale successful juice bars, smoothie bars, acai bowl businesses, healthy cafes, and more. All the information on this channel is coming from this wealth of experience. Early invitation, press the like button. Good for you, good for me. Thank you for doing that. Good for the algorithm. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get alerted when we release new content. Now let's dive in. Okay, the reason I want to make this video and everything I'm going to say in this video, it may seem obvious, or it may not. It actually might be quite enlightening to you when it comes to launching the business because it's about you taking personal inventory as to where you're at in this process. So there are 3 essential steps when it comes to creating anything in life, okay? The first step is going to be the dream, the vision, the inspiration. A lot of you guys out there are finding yourself watching content, going into juice bars, watching channels like this, and going, wow, this is something I really want to do. I'm excited. I'm inspired. This is the dream phase. I'm visualizing my business. Okay. I'm seeing what it's going to feel like, what it's going to look like, what kind of products I'm going to serve. That's step 1. It's a very important, crucial step because it helps you get into the emotional excitement to get you into the next stage, which is the planning stage. Okay. Once you have a vision, you have to plan. And that might be putting things down on paper. It might be, which I highly recommend you do if you are getting serious about all of this, reaching out to us, getting us to put a business plan together for you. Reach out to me, Andrew at StartAJuiceBar.com. But this is phase 2, planning your business. Okay, you have to take things from just being a mental idea, inspired, excitement, and put things down so you actually understand what the step-by-step process is. I often use this analogy about taking a trip to a grocery store, which is a very simple thing, but you get to the point where you're like, I'm hungry. Okay, so the impulse is there. All right, I don't know where the grocery store is. Let me open up Google Maps or whatever platform or application you use. Then you go and say, okay, what's the plan? Now you know where to go. Then what's the third stage? What's the third thing that you need to do? You need to take action, okay? You need to actually get in your car or put your shoes on and walk to the grocery store because guess what? If you're hungry and you just have a plan, but you don't take action, you're not going to eat. And this is why I want to bring this up. It's because I see and talk to a lot of people who tell me things like, oh yeah, I've been watching your channel for 2 years and I'm really excited. I want to open this business. But then when it comes to the moment of taking action, oh, I need to invest in getting a business plan done. I need to invest in this. I need to actually put some time and energy in. Guess what happens? Nothing. And so you need to be clear that this is something that you're serious about and know that having a plan isn't actually doing something. That is not the thing that's going to manifest. A business plan won't make a business, okay? A business plan is just a business plan. A menu is just a menu. These things won't make your business. You have to be willing to really understand what the critical actions that you have to take so that you can actually grow your business. I'll share a little quick story with you. I remember many years back, I was walking in where I was living previously in Venice Beach, California. One of these, somebody that I knew from the community, an acquaintance came up to me and he was just sharing with me. He knew I owned some businesses and he was like, oh, I've got this really great business idea. And he shared with me this very elaborate idea that seemed like, wow, if that comes together, that's really amazing. But I told him, hey, do X, Y, and Z and come back to me and then we can talk about it. Maybe I'll invest in your business or maybe I'll help you. And nothing happened. And the reason I bring this up is because execution is everything, everything, everything. Having, as someone once said, inspiration without action is merely entertainment. Inspiration without action is merely entertainment. So be clear with yourself. Are you just entertaining yourself or are you serious and you really want to open this business? And if you are, then you got to go from just having a dream and a vision to making a plan and then taking some action. Because I'm sure all of you see people around you, whether it's online or in your community, who probably aren't as intelligent as you are, but they're way more successful. And you're asking yourself, why are they doing better than I am? Why are they making more of an impact? Why are they living the life that I want to live? But I know that I can do better than them. Well, the difference is they're probably taking action. And action is worth way more than a concept, an idea, or a plan. So be someone who takes action in order to create your dream business, to open up a juice bar, And we're here to help you too. So, right. So you don't have to be worried and have fear that, yes, you're inspired and you want to take action, but you don't know what to do. We'll solve that problem for you. Like I said, reach out to me, Andrew at StartAJuiceBar.com. We'll support you in your vision and making this a reality. But know that you have to go through all 3 steps. Otherwise, you won't have a business. So hope this has been helpful. Hopefully it inspires you to get a little bit more serious and clear and move the ball forward even more and take that critical step that's probably holding you back, whether it's doing a business plan or going to talk to investors or whatever that next step is for you. That's all for today. Questions or comments, you know where they go. Subscribe, notification bell, hit the like button. Last 2 announcements. Follow us on Instagram at StartAJuiceBar, and listen to our podcast when you are driving and whatever else you're doing, the Juice Bar Experts podcast on iTunes and on Spotify. All right, see you at the next video. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you are inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, 15 Steps to Starting a Juice Business from Scratch. This is going to give you a high-level overview of everything you need to do from where you are now all the way to opening your business. Now, if you want to go even deeper, we've created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every aspect of starting your business, everything from branding to menu development to finding the right location, the equipment that you need, and so much more, all the way to launching your business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of them. As always, hope you guys are happy and healthy, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you at the next video.